Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add friends in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add friends in Last Asylum Plague. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Then here you'll have of course the record. As you can see, you'll have account, settings, and rank. And here when it's of course open for you, you will have the friends tab. For me it is not there at the moment, but when you see the friends tab, you'll have the of course tab where you can of course just tap on it and add your friends. Now this is not available for me. You can enter your player's ID or character name. So you can see your character name here, as you can see, which you can of course go and change also. So when you click on here, you have the character name, which you can of course go and input however you want it to be. So it is free, as you can see. And then that you can send to your friends so they can add you, or type in these numbers here underneath the avatar, which is also an option. And that's how you can actually go and do it. That's how you can add friends. So basically by doing that, searching that name, and or they of course searching yours. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.